Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Modern, contemporary house exterior with landscaping, hyperrealistic, stone facade, wooden deck, black metal planters, light gray paving stones, tiered stepping stones, various plants and shrubs, colorful foliage, autumnal tones, green grass, mature trees, calm and tranquil atmosphere, dappled sunlight, meticulously designed garden, detailed textures, large windows, soft lighting, dark gray stone accents, decorative grasses, maple leaves, elegant design, patio area, steps leading down to the garden, shrubs, lush gardens. Hyperrealistic, modern desert landscape. Sunny day, light beige, light gray, and tan-colored concrete pathways. Low-lying, various succulents and cacti, like agave, in mixed muted and vibrant colors, including greens, yellows, blues, and pinks, in rows and clusters, are planted in raised, rust-colored metal planters that border the landscape design. Mountains are in the background, blue sky with white clouds. Contemporary, modern architecture in a desert style, a modern home with a light brown wooden pergola and dark gray/black walls and glass windows. Dry desert landscape, gravel, and small rocks are the ground cover used throughout the space. A modern Zen garden, hyper-realistic, wooden house with light beige/tan siding, featuring a stone pathway through a meticulously landscaped garden. Large, light gray/silver stones and gravel make up the garden floor with a series of stepping stones/pavers leading down a central path. A large, rustic-looking, dark brown/bronze orb sits near the path. Lush greenery, including various types of plants and shrubs in varied shades of green and some hints of brown, surround the pathway. The house extends, partially covered, above the garden, with large windows letting in natural light. The colors are natural, warm, and well-balanced, and the light suggests a sunny day. Modern, minimalist, Zen garden, hyper-realistic, patio attached to a contemporary home, dark gray/black exterior walls, wooden decking, gravel pathways, multiple potted trees and plants, Japanese maples, bonsai, succulents, dark gray/charcoal planters, beige/light gray gravel, natural light, sliding glass doors to interior bedroom/living area, depth of field, peaceful atmosphere, organic shapes, soft warm lighting. Hyper-realistic, elegant mansion, dusk, large estate, beige and light gray stone house with dark, muted green and brown trim, classic architecture, ornate landscaping, box hedges in geometric patterns, stone pathway with light beige rectangular paving stones, lit by warm, ambient lighting, showing well-maintained lawns, trees and shrubs, dark green foliage, exterior lights illuminating the pathway and the house. Windows with warm interior light, two-story structure, front facade of the home, grand entrance with a dark wood door, patio area, calm peaceful setting, high-quality details, photorealistic lighting. Photorealistic backyard patio, light gray and beige paving stones, wooden furniture with colorful patterned cushions, modern wicker poof, brick barbecue, lush greenery, pergola with wooden beams, light wooden deck, multiple trees and shrubs, sunny day, warm-toned lighting, natural setting, outdoor living space, patio furniture, contemporary design, detailed textures of the plants and stones. A colorful, artistic garden pathway. Hyperrealistic, vibrant garden with a mosaic pathway. A winding mosaic pathway composed of colorful small stones and tiles, creating a stylized pattern that flows like a river. A central circular mosaic design featuring a vibrant flower or starburst pattern with a rich, purple center. Various shades of blue, orange, yellow, and other hues create a dynamic and eye-catching effect. Surrounding the path are lush, green plants, various sizes of planters, with a mix of flowering plants and lush foliage. Colorful flowers, especially yellows and oranges, are present in the beds. Mature trees and shrubs, creating a natural and dense canopy in the background. Modern, contemporary, hyperrealistic garden courtyard. Large house with gray stucco facade, dark gray sliding glass doors. Well-maintained landscaping with low green hedges, sculpted bushes, and various trees in varying shades of green. Dark gray/charcoal colored paving stones create pathways and borders. A large, dark gray/black, stone fire bowl with flames, positioned within a bed of dark blue-gray pebbles. Potted shrubs/bush in dark gray planters are positioned on the patio leading to the courtyard. Soft lighting. Natural, warm-toned light. Clear, beautiful, landscaping view of the yard. Photorealistic, meticulous detail. Modern Japanese garden, hyperrealistic, front yard of a house, light gray gravel path, Zen garden style, water feature with small rocks and flowing water, large stepping stones leading to a modern two-story home, dark gray and wood tones, lush green plants and bushes, various shades of green, light beige and tan rocks, warm sunlight, large windows on the house, natural light, detailed landscaping design, Japanese-inspired architecture, modern design, detailed textures of stones, plants and gravel, calm and serene atmosphere. Modern, contemporary, hyperrealistic home exterior, sunny day, inviting front yard landscaping with multiple textures, light beige stucco facade, dark brown wood beams, and large glass windows. Stone pathway with light gray/cream colored stepping stones leading to the front door. Variety of drought-tolerant plants, including agave, succulents, and greenery, wood chips/gravel beds, a large piece of driftwood in the yard, natural stone accents, light blue sky, light tan/cream colored ground. Double doors, a modern architectural style with a flat roof and light gray stone walls, warm brown colors, natural light, focus on the pathway and the home's entrance. Modern, contemporary home exterior. Hyperrealistic, outdoor scene. Light beige/cream colored pavers and walkway. Dark brown/gray metal planter boxes filled with small gravel, various greenery, and decorative, dark gray/black stones. a Zen garden-style grouping of stacked stones. Large, modern, two-story home with a dark gray/black facade, light beige/cream accents. Palm trees and other trees are seen in the background. Lots of natural light, sunny day. Clear sky. Smooth, uncluttered look. Focus on the landscaping and the modern architecture. Modern house exterior, lush garden, hyperrealistic, stone patio with layered steps, large windows, sleek black accents, light gray stone paving, dark gray stone accents, various tropical plants, mature trees, dark reflecting pool, natural light, modern pergola, outdoor living space, calm atmosphere, warm sunlight, detailed landscaping, elegant design, white modern house, lots of greenery, minimalist design, wooden pergola structure, a modern feel, high quality, meticulous. Smooth surfaces, natural stone materials, focal point is the patio area, garden landscaping. A modern, minimalist pathway leading to a modern house entrance. Hyperrealistic style. Light beige, taupe, and gray paving stones form the walkway, bordered by lush green foliage, including various plants, shrubs, and hedges. A covered walkway with a dark gray metal beam structure extends over the pathway. Large glass doors open onto the interior, showcasing a glimpse of the interior which appear light and airy. The house exterior is light beige/off-white with accents of dark gray/brown trim. Plenty of natural light. Variety of greenery, from tropical plants to low-lying shrubs with soft textures. A soft, natural lighting scenario.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4DX Design channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.